Hi everybody, how are you? So I've been making videos recently about my crochet progress, and the video today is going to be about the same topic. I don't know if it's actually of interest to many of my subscribers, but it's something that's been taking a lot of my time and it's been giving me joy, so I want to share with you. So recently I've been going to a new shop that's been that has opened nearby, and I found lots of really nice yarn there, and I couldn't resist and I bought some. So this was last week, and during the weekend, so in 1 week time, I've been crocheting a lot, and I started by making this bucket hat with all these like beautiful colors, and it's really nice. It's not the same as the other one, like it's more like this, but I think it's really cute, especially with the hair down, and it's really colorful and I love colors. So this is the first thing I made, and I made some more like granny squares for my grandma's scarf or shawl or something like that. We're still deciding what is it, what it is. And then I made this second turtle. So the turtle is really cute. It has a flower. I actually had another green turtle, green and brown, but it seemed a bit lonely, so I made a friend. Her name is Lizzie, by the way. Nice to meet you. And also, like, if I press, her head moves, so nice to meet you. Hello. I am a grown woman, but this is cute. So I've been making this, and then so I bought this very colorful yarn, but as you can see, it's very thin, and that is because I've been using to make this beauty that's behind me, and I'm going to show it to you. I started this on Saturday, and today it's Thursday, and on Sunday, because it's a holiday, I don't crochet. So in just maybe 5 or 6 days, I made all of this. Now, if you don't think that's impressive, then I do. I think that's impressive. And I love the colors. It's super colorful. This is going to be a one-person blanket. And I want you to see the detail and the color combination because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, because I've been using 3 balls of yarn like this, and there's not much left, it's very thin, I was like, right, well, this is too short to be a scarf, so it's going to be a blanket. But then I don't have enough yarn to finish it. So today I went and bought more yarn. It's 2 balls of each, so this is one of them, and then this, which is my favorite. So I have 2 of this, 2 of each, and then 2 of this as well. So I have all the yarns that I've been using in that blanket. I bought 2 more of each, so I have 6, and with the 2 that I used, it's 9. Sorry, my maths is not good. I'm not good at maths, I'm artistic. And yesterday I was just working, you know, like not crochet working, but working at my job. And then I had to wait for someone to reply, because they said, I'm gonna call you and we're gonna discuss this issue. And I was waiting for that person to call me, the client. I was waiting for the client to call me. And I had this hair elastic hairband nearby, and I made a scrunchie with the green yarn from the colorful one. And let me tell you that my hair is super fine, it's super thin, and it breaks easily, and this one is so soft and it doesn't break my hair. I don't know how it does that, but when I put this in my hair doesn't fall. So I'm starting to think that maybe it's not the shampoo or the hormones, it's probably just whatever I'm using to, I don't know, maybe it's my hair altogether, I don't know. But this is all the things I've been making. So a hat and a turtle, and a scrunchie and all this beautiful blanket. And trust me when I say that it's super soft, and the colors, honestly, I can't stop looking at it because it's gorgeous, I think. And I can't wait to make it longer and to use it to cover myself in winter. So yeah, this is what I've been doing. I am still working on my grandma's granny squares and with the heart in the middle. But this is it. So yeah, this is my short crochet progress update. I hope you've been enjoying these videos because it's a lot of fun for me to make them, and to even the shorts, to film myself with really like hyperlapse while crocheting, and it looks like super fast. It's not fast at all, like it takes me ages, but it's something I enjoy. So yeah, this is my progress and I will update you more later.